Hey guys, how you all doing? How you all doing? So I finally updated my Xenon, my Diggz Xenon 4K to the latest version. Because I believe that the 4K one was the Christmas or December version, wasn't it? So yeah, so I just loaded it on. I mean, I have it installed on my Shield, but I don't really use the build, so I really can't give you guys that much information about it. I mean, the only times I test out the build is when I'm making a video. You know, it's got loads of features and stuff like that. But one thing I noticed, which probably I didn't notice before, all right, but I'm aware of it because I'm in the Diggz group, is that, you know, when you click on the Diggz Xenon and you go down to the bottom, it takes you to the Diggz Wicker Help Forum. And that is very important because as soon as you click on that, you're going to see all of this stuff there. And for the new person who's, you know, the new end user is using, you know, Kodi for the first time, they see one of these YouTubers always, you know, it's the most popular build because it's the ones that the YouTubers who like to sell you their VPNs, it's the only one that they do. I mean, even they don't know how to use it because they don't show you how to use it. And I don't as well. But it's packed with features. I know there's lots of drama behind the scenes about Diggz. Diggz is, you know, what with Diggz. But you know, I love builds. I love unique builds and stuff. And I think the work he's done over the years is great. I mean, I don't think anyone, well, apart from there is a couple of people I know that sort of come close to it, but the amount of different features he's put on there is totally amazing. And you know, it's taken years of stuff because some of the little stuff he's made that don't even work anymore. So, but anyway, like I said, you've got that bit down the bottom. I always say to people, you need, you know, that this build is so complex, even though a new user can use it if you just go to certain titles, but it is really complex and there's lots of things, lots of, you know, layers and stuff like that within it that you can help to sort of improve your experience in using a Kodi build. Like I said, I don't think there's anything like Xenon out there in terms of customization. You know, it allows you to customize and change stuff, and everything is there within that forum. That's the main thing I want to say. So for you fans of Diggz, any of these builds, all the information is there. All right, and of course, if you join their group on, say, Facebook, they will tell you to use the forum anyway. I remember, you know, years ago they used to do videos. I don't know if they still do that. And another builder, Seaman, you know, he used to say, "Yep, they're the best. Their group, their team are the best at giving you information." And like I said before, loads of, you know, you can ask them a question within their forum, and they'll hopefully give you the answer, help you out. You can let them know what's wrong, this and that. Great stuff. I'm glad to see that. And there's things that I don't agree with the build, but like I say, I guess it's to customize it for yourself. That's what he allows you to do, which is great. It's great. It's just a shame that I know a lot of people with their low-end devices that use it and get stuck. I mean, even people with shields get stuck, but I don't know. That is just how it is. When you do have loads of stuff within the build, things can go wrong, break, you know, compared to these smaller builds that have smaller add-ons and less setup with well, with the widgets and stuff like that. But yeah, I mean, I'm glad that this guy's still doing his thing. And hopefully he still continues because we do need these sort of levels. You understand? We do need this in this community. Yeah. I think this is as far as I'm gonna go on this. I'm on the you guys can't see this. I'm just on the main page. and just I've got to go out now. So I've got to get ready and go. But yeah, you got the Diggz store. If you guys look through it, because I know you're going to get confused, there's no Kodi 21.3 fork in there. I think it's just the best one is 21.1, and you just have to look for an Amiga fork. I think Diggz doesn't really support Kodi forks, I guess. He just uses a computer or whatever like that, who knows. But I can't really tell you about this. I know that they've got a 4K and 1080 switch. I guess that sort of blocks or limits to that sort of resolution that you guys are into, because not everyone's got a 4K TV, not everyone's got a device that supports 4K. And I think they changed the name from Xenon 4K because it confused people. Yeah, so that people say, how comes this 4K then you can't play any 4K movies and stuff like that. So please click on the Diggz Xenon on the menu bar there and go down to the forum. It opened up nicely on my Shield. So I guess if you've got a web browser on your device, and then it'll just open up in there. And then you can look through there, hopefully find some answers. Alright then guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much.